Top business schools' admissions committees read thousands of essays annually, searching for candidates who stand out through clear, structured, and impactful storytelling using the proven STAR framework. The STAR acronym stands for Situation, Task, Action, and Result. It is a powerful storytelling tool designed to help MBA applicants narrate professional experiences with absolute clarity. Admissions officers do not just want a list of achievements, they want to see your thought process, interpersonal skills, and professional judgment tested under intense pressure. Standard resumes often lack depth. By applying structured frameworks, you transform basic job duties into compelling evidence of your leadership capacity and strategic decision-making skills. The first component is situation. You must briefly outline the context and background. What was happening? Who was involved? What was at stake for your team? Admissions gateway experts advise keeping the situation concise, giving just enough background for the listener or reader to understand the specific environment without getting bogged down. For example, during your second year at a bank, your product line was underperforming, and leadership desperately demanded a rapid turnaround within the current quarter. Next comes the task component. This requires you to define your specific responsibility, the goal you were working toward, or the distinct challenge you needed to overcome. It is crucial to clearly distinguish your individual role from the broader team effort. As a product analyst, you were specifically tasked with identifying revenue leakages. Action is the heart of your answer. Describe the exact steps you took and the strategic decisions you made to tackle the issue and complete your task. This section gives you the ideal chance to showcase your character traits, the technical skills you applied, and your positive attitude towards solving complex business problems. For instance, you could discuss efforts to compile new data previously excluded from company models, developing fresh analysis to highlight valuable non-human budget cuts. The final core step is result. Now, describe the tangible outcome you achieved, ensuring you quantify or qualify results so your direct impact is unmistakable. Experts at Sam Weeks Consulting emphasize that you should never feel shy about taking full credit for the hard work and dedication you put into turning situations around. Beyond the standard 4 letters, there is a hidden 5th component often missed by applicants: learning, or takeaway, which shows deep self-awareness, leadership, and personal growth. This final reflection connects your personal story directly to the core values and qualities that top business school admissions programs actively seek in prospective candidates. Some consulting firms like Sam Weeks adapt STAR into SCAR, replacing task with challenge, which effectively encompasses broader scenarios like interpersonal conflict between 2 colleagues. While not every application essay demands the STAR framework, certain specific prompt types require structured, experience-based responses to answer complex questions within strict word limits. For example, Kellogg asks applicants to describe a difficult professional experience requiring a tough decision, reflecting on guiding values and how it impacted their leadership style. Using STAR helps you build admissions essays that are exceptionally concrete, evidence-driven, and emotionally resonant, whether you are tackling a main essay or short answer prompt. Cambridge Essay 2 asks you to describe a difficult decision you had to make, what you learned from the experience, and how you changed as a result. Cambridge Essay 3 challenges you to describe a time you worked with a team on a project, detailing lessons learned and how you might approach collaboration differently today. Darden short answer prompts ask for tangible examples, illustrating your experience promoting an inclusive environment and what you would bring to creating a diverse global community. Tuck MBA Essay 3 focuses on collaborative, encouraging, and empathetic traits, asking for a meaningful experience where you exemplified these attributes even when it was difficult. Beyond essays, the STAR framework is an extremely helpful way to organize your resume bullet points, ensuring every job description highlights quantifiable impact and leadership. In live and alumni interviews, applicants frequently face behavioral questions, starting with phrases like, "Tell me about a time when you managed a crisis effectively." Using the STAR method during live interviews ensures your spoken answers stay focused, outcome-driven, and concise, while clearly showcasing your individual role and reflective insights. A major pitfall is sounding overly rehearsed or robotic. To avoid this, practice natural delivery while keeping the structured mental anchor of the STAR method intact. Another common pitfall is spending too much time on the situation, leaving insufficient time to elaborate on the crucial action and results sections that demonstrate value. Keep your setup brief and punchy. Admissions committees want to spend 80% of your response understanding what you personally did and what outcomes you achieved. Actionable examples require hard numbers. Whether saving 100 jobs using advanced analytics or boosting quarterly revenue by 30%, numbers provide undeniable proof of capability. Consider an example where you saved 100 employee jobs by redesigning a budget model. Explaining why jobs were at risk adds essential emotional and strategic depth. As a senior data analyst, you proactively leverage technical skills and leadership position to protect staff by finding non-human cost reductions across the struggling organization. Presenting your newly compiled data and optimized financial models directly to the executive board proved pivotal in securing approval for the company-wide restructuring plan. The result was an immediate stabilization of operational budgets, saving all vulnerable positions, and establishing a new analytical protocol adopted across multiple regional branch offices. Every top-tier institution, from Stanford Graduate School of Business to Harvard Business School, looks for distinct indicators of maturity and high-impact leadership potential in candidates. While competitive GMAT scores and high undergraduate GPAs open initial doors, your essays and interviews seal the admission offer by revealing your true character under pressure. Admissions gateway experts note that thousands of applicants struggle with narrative coherence, making a disciplined framework, like STAR, an essential differentiator in competitive applicant pools. Ellen Lolis Consulting emphasizes that reflecting on past professional challenges using tried and trusted frameworks helps applicants market their unique experiences effectively in limited space. According to insights from the GMAT Club blog, mastering structured storytelling is an excellent strategy for MBA hopefuls to leverage during AdCom or alumni interviews. Practice your STAR stories out loud multiple times. Recording mock interview sessions allows you to refine pacing, eliminate rambling tangents, and ensure smooth transitions between points. Interviewers often ask follow-up probing questions about specific actions. Being deeply familiar with your STAR stories ensures you handle granular inquiries without breaking composure or consistency. Your STAR narratives should ultimately connect your past professional milestones to your future post-MBA career goals, creating a seamless and logical trajectory for admissions officers. Avoid vague statements like "we improved efficiency." Instead, specify exactly how many hours were saved, which processes were automated, and what financial savings were realized. Behavioral stories should highlight interpersonal skills, demonstrating how you navigated cross-functional team disagreements, managed difficult stakeholders, and successfully aligned competing corporate priorities. Top schools prize empathetic leadership. Showing how you supported teammates through organizational stress proves you possess the emotional intelligence required of modern, global business leaders. Short answer prompts require extreme brevity. Condensing a full STAR narrative into 150 words tests your ability to distill complex achievements into punchy highlights. Ensure your resume bullet points align with the stories featured in your essays. Consistency across all application touchpoints reinforces your core professional brand and narrative integrity. When facing writer block during essay drafting, start by outlining bullet points for situation, task, action, and result before writing full paragraphs around your core framework. Share your drafted STAR essays with trusted mentors or admissions consultants who can provide objective feedback on whether your leadership impact shines clearly through the text. Maintain a professional, confident, and reflective tone throughout your application materials, striking the right balance between celebrating personal achievements and demonstrating humility. The STAR method is ultimately a mindset of structured reflection. Embracing this disciplined approach ensures you communicate with maximum clarity, authenticity, and persuasive evidence. In the competitive MBA admissions process, absolute clarity equals credibility. Utilizing robust frameworks gives admissions committees the confidence to admit you into their incoming class. As interview day approaches, curate a portfolio of 5 to 6 versatile STAR stories that can be flexibly adapted to answer diverse behavioral competency questions. A well-prepared story about managing a budget crisis can often be adapted to answer questions regarding leadership under pressure, conflict resolution, or strategic problem solving. Before submitting your applications, review every essay and resume line against the STAR criteria to guarantee that your leadership capacity and measurable impact are undeniable. Mastering this storytelling technique bridges the gap between a standard candidate profile and an unforgettable application that secures coveted interview invites and admission offers. Your journey toward top-tier business school success begins with mastering the art of structured storytelling and presenting your professional evolution with unwavering confidence and clarity. In summary, mastering the STAR framework empowers you to navigate complex MBA essays, resumes, and interviews by organizing your career milestones into compelling, evidence-driven narratives. By focusing on clear situations, specific tasks, decisive actions, measurable results, and reflective learnings, you unlock the full potential of your unique professional background. If this masterclass helped clarify your MBA application strategy, subscribe to our channel for more expert admissions guides, interview tips, and professional success resources today.